Do you know what to say to a naughty bee? Beehive. Spring is about buzzing bees. It's also about wearing flip-flops and your feet not getting cold.
Feet are so cold.
And getting into the garden. Planting, tilling, planting barefoot. We visited a local shop with experienced gardeners. Jensen's Flowers Garden and Nursery Store. I was able to catch up with Gay Bashir. She offered tips to get the imagination running wild.
We have a lot of people coming from other states, so they don't really understand the extremes of Colorado gardening. Group plants together with the same water needs. And they need to amend the soil. Compost is number one. Reinvigorate the soil with organic material. Don't be afraid of experimenting. Try things. Awesome resource, plantselect.org.
So whether you are a seasoned gardener or just a budding sprout, this spring, use your resources available. Remove the cliche, light your bulb, and test your skills. Then watch your creativity bloom. Start by making a list of plants, flowers, herbs, and vegetables that will crown your garden. Plant on the south or west side of your home for the best sun saturation. So you can start right now. Earth up to germinate. The look you want to achieve. Remember to pinch out, pot up, and pot on for a great start to an amazing garden to enjoy all year long. What the carnation? Shannon Baldwin, Connections, Colorado.